A favicon is the small icon that appears in browser tabs, bookmarks, and mobile home screens. Shopify makes it easy to update your store's favicon using the theme Customizer. No code required in most modern themes. Step-by-step guide. Log into Shopify admin. Go to your Shopify dashboard. Navigate to Themes. Click Online Store, Themes. Customize your active theme. Find your live theme. Click Customize. Access Theme Settings. In the Theme Editor, click the gear icon, Theme Settings, at the bottom left of the left sidebar. Go to Favicon section, scroll down and click Favicon, or search Favicon in the Settings search bar. You'll see the current Favicon preview, usually Shopify's default shopping bag icon. Upload your new favicon, click Select Image or Upload Image. Recommended specs: size 32 times 32 pixels, minimum format .kng, .ico, JPG, PNG with transparency is best, file size under 1 MB. Upload your icon, it auto resizes and generates variants for different devices. Save changes, click Save, top right. The new favicon is live instantly, though browser cache may delay visibility.